Chief Minister N. Biren today virtually inaugurated the Mayang Imphal and Moirang branch of Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited (Mscb) during a function that was held at Cabinet Hall of CM Secretariat. Speaking in the program, Chief Minister Biren expressed confidence that the newly opened branches will be able to serve the people in far-flung areas. He also expressed his wish for these bank branches to provide loans to people in relief camps and also to fish farmers in the area who have been hit hard by the recent flood. The Chief Minister also urged the banks to give some relaxation to internally displaced persons, especially with the documentation process for loan application. Speaking further, Chief Minister N. Biren also highlighted the role played by Manipur State Cooperative Bank in providing microfinance loan to 1,195 self-help groups and other grassroots level beneficiaries in the past 5 years. While stressing on the importance of financial discipline, Chief Minister N. Biren maintained that government will also provide every possible help to help the people.
Some national banks sing moigi rules regulation to the dum stick to regulator praja singya wana tarab sing the phangandaba adu gumbadu da khoi da yamna hattoba yawdu nate maramdi huji relief camp da leiriba singsi da mathwai nuaitana leiriba mafamdu da mating khra pangsi haiba kanda akoi normal procedure du loina ngaina leiragadi adugi she poro adugi sa poro adugi mi poro adugi poro leiragadi relief camp da leiribaduna how they can provide all the documents. Sugumbagi port mayam se the aingon the National Bank har da yedum ngai tabu lai moina ngamui da pota tawdabi da moina ngamga da pota kramai tawna laithon bai tar adugumbagi posa khara bank na sumadu yapi gane na khali ngasi bank hangbiri ba Manipur State Cooperative Bank ki officials na maru ina relief camp da lai sing to madugi hana priority pira matung da ngami ki kodong chada basing du khrai sungsoi soiduna sigi bank ki nogi staff sing jina kohan gane na khali maroi na khoi ki priority sa wana taraba mayam se hana economically uplift tobudune khoi ki government ki hujil lei situation sida